on. Okay, everyone. I know this is normally something which I... Also, please ignore the background music. That is just my sibling.
0 people.
Can you be quiet, please? Where did I put it? Okay. Today, I'm going to... I wanted
0 people.
show you my dragon. Okay, this is not a real dragon. I'm gonna turn it. Whoa! Why do I always leave that drawer under my bed open?
0 people. Speech off.
He has a sensor, so you can stroke him. He has some other modes. Okay. I know that that's just a toy dragon, but I'm not done here. Samsung just made me very happy by adding Google Assistant to the Galaxy Samsung A02. Where's my phone? No. Phew. When my mobile's broken. Do you know where my phone is? Where did you put my phone? I didn't know. I didn't get it. Great, I lost the phone now. Where is it? Oh, sorry everyone. My phone's downstairs. Anthony, what? Don't touch my iPad. Okay. I'm going to go and get my phone. I'm back. With my phone. Whoa! Phew. Samsung, I wish. Hold on. Why am I getting so many notifications? Samsung.